Hello, my name is Youngmin Park. I am currently an assistant professor in mathematics at the University of Florida, and I've created this channel to share my experiences with ADHD and navigating the academic system as a non-neurotypical person. So I will share a lot of not just the personal experiences, but I'll try to share different resources, get different perspectives. I'll occasionally do interviews with other academics or other people in demanding jobs with ADHD. Try to get a good diversity of thought, and I'll also look at papers related to ADHD. And that was the original purpose of this channel, was to examine the scientific evidence. But I'm moving kind of more towards a personal perspective specific to ADHD as an academic, and also as an academic in mathematics. So So I mean, I've struggled with ADHD since before I can remember, and I've also dealt a lot with depression. So these are topics that'll come up quite a bit in this channel. And as just for a brief summary of my educational background, I have a BS in applied math in biology, as well as an MS in applied math in biology, and my thesis was in math plus neuroscience, so math as applied to neuroscience questions, and then I went on to get a PhD in math at the University of Pittsburgh, with a focus on neuroscience. And even though the PhD was in mathematics, it was the track that I took was in applied math, and particularly with applications to biology. I then did a one-year postdoc from 2018 to 2019 in a neuroscience lab at the University of Pennsylvania, an auditory neuroscience lab. So I did some modeling there, and then I did a postdoc in an applied mathematician at Brandeis. That was for a couple of years, and then I did one more postdoc in Canada at the University of Manitoba in Winnipeg, looking at studying the dynamics of molecular motors. So that was also that topic was also done at Brandeis. And these days, my work is in coupled oscillators, and I'm still thinking about molecular motor dynamics, and I'll talk about those things occasionally now and then. But yeah, this channel is going to be very casual. It's intentionally very low editing, like low levels of editing, because I don't have the time or the means really to make more like higher quality videos. But despite the visual quality not being especially good, I'll try to make the content meaningful and useful to as many people as possible. Okay, so thank you for being here, and let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you more. Thanks.